Greetings and good morning, good evening, good afternoon, happy Monday times. Good to see you, chat. Good to have you onboarded. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you guys. How do you feel today? Ho ho. Ready to attack the markets as usually. Ready to find out more about the current price action and the situation around NASDAQ following through an important week. Yeah, we have the FOMC meeting, very likely on a pause. Let me just go ahead and share the presentation. You certainly want to do the same thinking. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. We had a lovely time, as usually. Spend the time in family, friends, and members. In nature, we ran into something. Oh, yeah. So we're live. We're live. Here we are. $125,000 today. Make sure to fill out the form. 27th of April 2026. Yeah, 400s daily and weekly opening for NASDAQ. We are continuing to trade the best of the best accounts. Good morning, good day, everyone. Welcome. Let's fix the green tea. Good evening. We gotta fix the green tea. We have an important account we're gonna trade today. 5 grand made here in this one. On YRM, 5 grand made in this one, guys. 3,000 more is needed. You know what that means. 3,000 more, we're gonna take the payout. Right, so here's the account. This is the performance. Oh my gosh. Here you go. 3 days of 1,600. This is the 150,000 instant funded. A lot of the people trade a 50,000 challenge, which is extremely cheap. Extremely cheap. Good day, good morning. Great to see you, chat. Wish you all a fruitful week. There you go. We're getting the substance. Cheers, everyone. For a good Monday start. We're going to test out some longs. I've set some limit orders here. And we gotta wait. Good day, good morning. Thank you so much. Hey, buddy. Hey, guys. Oh. This level is the daily and weekly opening. Today's low is sitting on 344. We already have about 85 points of retracement. And the last 2 closed candlesticks of 5 minute show a decent level of rejection. daily VWAP 450. Today's range has been established between 344 and 542. 200 points of price action. I don't know if we have all-time high today since the opening. Yeah, we have all-time high since the opening. 542 all-time high for NASDAQ. The question will go out quite soon for May. Oh, sell in May and go away. 29,000. Ha ha ha. I'm gonna ask you a question, chat, about the markets. 29,000 for May. Are we going to touch? I'm asking you the question, guys, in the pool. You certainly want to vote. Look at that. The market is pulling back. We might have our limit orders filled up. Nothing yet, but we're waiting here. One contract has been filled. I'd like something between a 500 and 1,500 today. 3 contracts have been filled up. We're adding one more. 4 contracts on limit orders. You guys can vote. And we're going to touch 29,000 NASDAQ in May. Let me know what you guys think about 29,000. It is a pretty good level to reject and have some buyers stepping in. Even though there is not much going on right now, from what it looks like. Market's pretty slow. Add a little bit to this. Come on. It's a decent candle on the 1 minute for the moment. Nah. It didn't close that good. And the new one that opened is even worse. Oh, it's great, basically. It's great with all the abilities. It's the cheapest in the industry. Having a good time. We're trading with them for quite a few months, and our community has been doing the same thing. Here's the link, guys. Maximum promotion is still right there. YRM. Unlimited evaluations, maximum 3 funded. We're going to see TradeC available soon. In the meantime, we have Volumetrica, we have Quantower, we have ATAS. I'm trading on Volumetrica Deep Charts, web-based platform. I like it. I'm selling partially here, guys, a little bit. You know, I'd like to secure some of the profits. Even though this can very easily get back to my total target. I'm selling another contract. One more, and we have a single contract left. Fully out. $910. Very important, guys. Celebration time. $910 here. Lovely scalping. 155, 850. There you go. Lovely guys in YRM. Oh, 150,000 accounts. There you go. This is very important because this is so close to 156 and the target is 158. So it's a target for the payout. These are instant funding accounts. Thank you so much, guys. We still need 2,150. 2,150. In how many days? Let me refresh the page here with the account. So we have 4 days of trading. 4. And the minimum days that are needed for the instant funded are 8 days. 8 days of trading for the instant funded. There you go, Jake. We're confirming the noises. That's my job here, to play some fireworks daily. Make sure people have fun on fireworks. It's not because I won. Simply, the market is not allowing me in different ways. I wish it would be different sometimes, but... Now, we're joking, we're having a good time, guys. I don't want to be blamed to make it look too easy. No. I'm not gonna trade on this account anymore today. Even though that's lovely, look at that. That's a lovely situation. Haha. Probably will have to trade the other accounts from here, but that's a lovely situation, guys. This 1 minute. That red candle was so dirty, that red candle. They went back for trailings, for break-evens, right? So the last red candle we had is a proof of the market manipulation, guys. There was no reason to go back with that red candle. There was no reason other than liquidity, trailings and stop losses. You know, they're saying, some of the guys that are pushing online content for whatever reasons, they say there is no such thing. Market is hunting people. The market is not hunting people. The market is hunting liquidity. And that's it. That's the way it moves. It's undercutting, has a lovely reaction, an initial reaction, and then it comes back to the same level just to push back way more aggressively straight away at the closing of that candle. How fake and manipulated is that one, guys? Totally. Yes, we got a payout and a lot of the people get payouts. We would not trade here if it wouldn't be right. I mean, we're trading in front of... There is more than 500 traders that have signed up with YRM. In my community, more than 500. The Lucid community is even bigger. It's more than 700 traders that are trading on Lucid from our community. Yeah. I don't need heat maps. I understand from the language of the price section where the liquidity is existent. From the technicals and from the price section, I'm expecting the spot of the liquidity. Yeah. The thing is, if you're longing the minor micro supply here, it is risky. They can still do this thing, guys. Right? They can do this thing. Unfortunately, I would say. But at the same time, We have the 200 EMA 427 purple line here. I'm gonna open up my Coin Tower with a Lucid account. Make sure to fill up the form, guys. Here's a Lucid account. It's printing a ton. Look at that one, guys. 280 grand inside the account. Haha. $130,000 profit. This is the way it was last week. This is the way it was last week. For those of you that were not following closely, this is the way it's been. Monday and Tuesday we lost $26,000 Monday and Tuesday. Yes. Sure, no worries. So Monday and Tuesday, and you would believe that it's no recovery, especially mentally, besides the numbers that are something. The numbers do have an impact to our mental side, to our confidence, trust. And I was coming after 3 days of losses. Friday on the 17th, look at that. It's 12,600. And I can tell you, on Tuesday, once I finish my session on the live stream, I felt the impact of 3 days in a row, like this. 12,000 and then 26. It's 38. 38,000 back-to-back losses. And it's not just this account, we lost on the other ones. But assuming we're looking at this, the other account numbers are quite similar. You don't give up, guys, no matter what. It's your duty. If you want to have success in life, there is no way you can give up, no matter how bad or great things are looking. I mean, there's people giving up when things are looking great, and I think there is a ton of people giving up when things are looking great. They give up to the way they used to be while producing the greatness, and they become different persons. So remember that. If you give up to the way you used to be by producing greatness, do not expect your greatness to continue and follow up. YRM is no longer 46, the price have increased, the promotion changed. Oh, it's, you know, amazing birthday as usually. Everything went as expected. We had a great time together. Spend the time together. We rented something out of the city, like a private place with multiple houses, and we invited people there. Yeah. We had a chef doing stuff. We had all sorts of people for the kids, playgrounds, whatever. But let me get back to the numbers. Very important lesson, guys. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you. The very next 3 days are producing more than the losses. 23 plus 13 is 36. 36 plus 10 is 46. $47, something around that. Might be out here in what is for the 20 20 August. Oh, there is a long way for the August. Oh ho. Yeah. Daily VWAP 447. Keep that in mind. There is an additional 13 points to that level. One of the things you have to do, guys, is certainly not to rush in your positions, and that's pretty much obvious for sure. But the idea is there are different spots in the markets that have no meaningful representation. So you're in the middle of nothing. In the middle of certainly nothing to be expected in terms of reversals or reactions one way or the other, continuation or reversal, a type of chasing the price action. A meaningful level is a level that has prior data and it's backing it up, or levels that have been confirmed by certain reactions. We also have the traditional levels in terms of highs, lows, weekly, daily, monthly, yearly, openings, EMAs, volume weighted average prices of the day, of the week, of the month, of the year. We have a lot of the other things as well. They could technically be called meaningful points. I'm longing this with little contracts. Yes, yes, yes. To activate the account after you pass the evaluation, it's usually 6 hours on average. It's usually within the same day, 6 hours if you catch the same day. So I'm expecting here basically to touch that daily VWAP 446, 447, which is why I've longed for a continuation on a laddering up. We've also longed our Lucid. We have a funded Lucid, which is sitting on 153. Right, so yeah, tap on future is taking a few hours to activate your evaluation that has been passed. That's the way it works with tap on futures. This is a funded account. This one too is a funded account, which is below the initial balance by 1,000. We have right now 4 funded accounts. YRM is instant, yes. Oh, so your parents lived in Hungary. Haha. I do know how to read, and I understand. I'm gonna be out from this trade, guys. 674 bucks. Lovely, right? For Lucid. Lovely. And I'm still holding the other one. And I'm gonna explain you why I sold that 600 bucks quite soon. I'd like to get out from here. We're going to take profit as soon as we... Yeah, I'm going break even like this. Sold one of my contracts for the YRM. This is a very important account. I'm not really planning on Yeah, touched a break even on that. 960 profit here. That's great. And I'm gonna set the break even at this level too. Oh. Congratulations for that. Congratulations. 15 years ago. Yeah, we made $6 big. Look at that. He's not on MT5. He's on different platforms. You see why it's... Oh! Oh! Ha 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 ha. Why is it important to do break-evens? Well, look at that. We are break-even pretty much everywhere. You're not going to see me in a loss once P&L turns green. I'm not going to deal with that, guys. That's the silliest thing you can have mentally. To be profitable, have a state of mind, and then lose. I'm not going to accept that. The worst case scenario I accept from being profitable would be the break even. And that break even must give me a couple of dollars for a coffee. Ha ha ha. Ah. It's not on MT5. YRM platform is out here. Volumetrica, the place I'm also trading, a web-based quant tower, and ATS. Right, it's visible on their site, guys. So, yeah, we're trading YRM. We're trading our Lucid as well. I'll send you the links. We're trading Tap 1 if we have time, and Savius if we have time. Savius is having 60% off on 25K, 50K, and 100K, and 50% on any account model. Right, so they do have the 300K accounts. $12,000 for 500 bucks. $12,000 drawdown for 500 bucks. Instant funded. Savius is all instant funded. Let me send you the links, guys. You cannot take advantage of these promos without being signed up under the system. That's how Savius is a little bit different with the affiliate stuff. That's, you know, it's different. Instant funded, all of them. I'm not going to trade this anymore today. 960 is sufficient. It's great. That's great. We need 2,100 more for the payout. We'll continue with this account, which only has 400 inside. But I decided... Yes, YRM is creating $25,000 accounts. Yes. Ha 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 ha. Look at that one. Congratulations. This is on a Friday winners on our birthday streaming. The $150,000 Lucid Flex account winner on our Discord community celebrating his coupon code. Congratulations. Joel, congrats, buddy. YRM is launching their $25,000 account, starter account. We're going to talk about it. Right, so they will have a 25K account. I think it's going to go, it's already live, their 25K account. Even though I still think the 50K is much better choice, much better, no activation fee. But for an extra 20 bucks or even less, 15 bucks extra, you get double drawdown. double drawdown. Like, so instead of 1,000, you get 2,000 bucks drawdown. Look at that one, guys. We might get something for the upside here. I'm testing up a long. And I will be doing the same thing. This could be looking like a flag. Could be looking like a flag, right? Watch out, guys. This is not looking like a flag to you. And all those wicks downwards that receive no acceptance. Oh. Why do we have all this selling pressure? Because it's Monday, right? Or do we have Trump posting again? Look at that. Oh my god. What are you doing? We got stopped out on YRM. But then here... What are you doing, NASDAQ? Alpha futures, a lot of them. I have not done them. A lot of the people complain about alpha. We have great solutions on Lucid and YRM, which are dominating. And if you're having maxed out the accounts, I think you have a good edge on making 15 to 20 grand. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I don't like this. Might have to take a loss. Even though we're sitting on the daily opening, right? I mean, there's always a risk here to touch levels like here, slightly below the previous wick, or just simply continue all the way into today's low. There's always that risk. No, not suggesting alpha. Personally, and a lot of the people do not have a good experience with them. Oh my gosh. This is not in a good position, guys. I'm putting a stop loss. I have no choice. I have to get out of my long, which I thought, and I was looking for, seeing a flag. But the problem is I have to get out of my long and a possible reversal spot. I hate that. We only have $600 extra drawdown here. 145,500 is the max loss, and we're 680 bucks away. Unbelievable. Silly. Yeah. Two contracts have been filled up here. There's not much drawdown with this account. With this one, actually. I would love to see a rejection here. Look at that, guys. And then a push all the way back with a W. Could be a W pattern, right? Look at that. All the way back to 462, last week's high, or daily VWAP, 445. We got rejected by the 200 EMA. Unbelievable pressure. Yeah, brutal fake out, and this whole thing reversing so aggressively. That previous 5 minute was really powerful. Come on, bring it back to life. I'm gonna sit on 2 contracts trying to recover this funded accounts of Lucid+Flex. Any additional dollar keeping me away from max loss and building space is great. We're down 2,800. There is an extra 600 to max loss, and we're trying to do something. It's not easy. But that's a lovely initial reaction. Watch out, guys. We're printing. Ha 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 ha. Watch out, guys, on the fakeness of the market here. Ha ha ha. Unbelievable, right? Unbelievable. Look at that. Ha ha. This is a very important 7,800. I'm not getting out yet. I'm not getting out yet. Look at that. Possibly W for last week's high target, which will create an overall lower high. Something like this. Yeah. Haha. Time to make some money. We're long here. Yes, 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 we're long. 2 minis on NASDAQ. $900. I don't want to see a double rejection here in the 1 minute, guys. We gotta cross that 411. No matter what. We gotta cross that. Lovely, lovely. I sold a contract here. 418. Sold a contract, secured half of my profits. I think I'm gonna get out fully right now. I'm out. Lovely. Lovely situation. Let me get out from here as well. 455 on this account too. Let me get out here too. Let me secure that profit. But the very important money has been made here, guys. Let's just run a show of fireworks. Celebration time. This is very important. The account was so close, 600 bucks away from the max loss. And we made 1,000. So now we have an additional 1,000. This is a Lucid+Flex. No consistency on target. On the funded stage for the Lucid. It's still 40%. I'm waiting for them to reset the bolt. 5 users on 40%, but they gotta reset the bolt. It has not been reset already for a while. And for the majority of you, the promotion is lower than the 40s. Yeah, you heard it right. We recovered 1,000. Time to wake up. Give me a lovely retest so I can long it again. A lovely retest of the daily opening, 403. How many contracts in 50,000 Lucid+Flex? 4 minis. 4. The Lucid+Flex, no daily loss limit, no activation fee. You can pass the account in 2 days because you have 50% consistency. So you should not make in the evaluation more than 1,500 in a day. Do not earn more than that if you want to pass in 2 days. Get to your target, which is at 6%. 6% basically is industry standards. And then you become funded. In the funded stage, you have no consistency. You don't have a target. You can request your payout every 5 days. It's just lovely. For the Lucid, yeah. For the Lucid Flexes. Maximum 5 funded unlimited evaluations. It's risky, guys, here with the price action. It's quite risky. We haven't touched the daily opening. We actually front run the daily opening. I'm going to take this W away. Lucid Pro is more expensive because they want you to buy the flex, very likely. So they are controlling behaviors based on prices. But also Lucid Pro is having a little higher payouts too. For example, from the third payout, I think the Pro is $500 extra on the 150,000 account. In terms of the drawdown is not trailing during the day. It's only trailing at the end of the day balance, right? So during the day, it is static. And then once you finish your day and the balance closes, based on the closing balance, end of the day balance, your trailing is calculated for the next day. Your max loss is calculated for the next day, which then also stays static during the day. This is what it means, end of the day balance. Drawdown type, EOD. There is a buffer $100 basically in the account. That's the only thing, $100 buffer, not more than that. Plus, Lucid Pro is allowing people to pass the evaluation in a single day, which is something I'm not suggesting you. I mean, it opens the doors for you have 6% target. It's you guys have to learn to dedicate a few days and not always go for the minimum days and passing your evaluations. I think this is one of the biggest problems people have. They don't want to spend time on the evaluation stage. They want to become funded and feel they are advancing towards making money. You can't advance towards making money if you don't dedicate the right amount of time to the infrastructure that produces you the money. The infrastructure producing you the money is your account that needs to reach in the stage of being funded. If you don't feel about having sufficient discipline on that, then you don't want to grab instant funded. Yes, just the Pro is the single day. But again, opens the doors mentally for a lot of the people to go hard, big contracts and push for the big targets, and they don't stop. So if your target is for the 150,000, your target is 9,000 for the 150,000 because it's 6%. Even if you make 6,000-7,000, you would not stop, and then you lose it all, right? So I think 50% consistency evaluation on the flex helps you more. Do not forget, Lucid Pro on the funded stage, it has a target, it has buffer, and it has consistency on the funded stage for the Pro. Flex is not having these things at all. Lucid Flex is the best, yes. Yes, rushing evils. Yep. Yes. So you would need consistency. For those of you that you feel you rush evils, you need consistency in your evil phase. That's going to help you. Right? So the time that you're spending on the evaluation is not your enemy, guys. As long as that's a priority step towards making money. So let me show you. I mean, look at the Flex account that I have. Where is it? Here. Where is my Flex account? Here's the Flex account. It's $280,000 in the account. I'm not trading those guys. I've heard Elite Trader Funding. I heard a lot of negative reviews and feedbacks from people. Yes, you can trade, you know, evaluations as well, but you certainly need to accept that time needs to be invested in the evaluation stage as well. Rushing is not an argument towards the desire of making money. Just because you want to make money, certainly it's not determining the need of rush. It's determining to trade in your best way possible. In other words, I would say correctly. It doesn't matter it's slow, slower, fast, faster. If you want to increase the speed of your payouts, you have to diversify. And of course, copy trading is there. But copy trading comes with certain disadvantages, with also certain advantages. Yes. $150 for 5 days on the Lucid Flex 50,000. You're good to go with that. Yes. Exactly. Lucid Pro is every 3 days, which is why the price is a little bit higher. I mean, between 3 days and 5 days, it's a big difference. It's a big difference. You know, it's a lot quicker. So think about with Flex 10 days, 2 payouts. With Pro, you have 3 payouts in 9 days. That's an additional payout. An additional payout is an additional payout. Yes. You know, I slow down on my trading. I'm never emotional about the things that are happening, guys. Lucid Flex have a max payout per cap. Each account size have a cap per each request, but you can have multiple requests. This could be an interesting level here to test out along. Indeed, it is close to supply, but we could get something like this. I'm putting my stop loss right below the current wick. I'm very tight on this. There is a very clear invalidation point there for me. Again, this could be another flag. Another bull flag. I'm just requesting the price action to move in my direction from this level and not from the lower levels, which might be one of the mistakes that I might not offer sufficient room and space for liquidity downwards. But there is a risk basically for the price action to go below 400s again. That's why I'm cutting my long as soon as we cross this 410 structure. Give me a little more profits here so I can go break even, guys. This is a very important account because it's funded and it's below the original balance. Yes. I am moving my stop loss right at the bottom of the current candle. So I moved 2 points higher. If we reject again, it's time for me to be out of this trade. Look at that. Yeah. I'm out of this trade. So I did give the markets the opportunity to move. Look at that. Might just move right now as soon as we got out. Ha ha ha. And it's going. It's going, lads. Ha ha ha. As soon as you get out, because you have to play tight. As soon as you get out, it's running. I'm watching the price action on 5 minute, and I'm still wondering about the possibility to touch the green line here again. $403. Daily opening. We have rejection and refusal, anything above the purple line, and even levels close to it. Look at that for the 5 minute. Let's see what we can get here. I'm testing out a short here for the YRM. Yeah, 363. It's quite deep. Would love to see that. I think we need some time for this to unfold. 5 minute algo reacts soon. I got in a short here for Lucid accounts too. Got in shorts. Let's see. What do we got? We're nicely exposed in shorts. Thank you so much, guys. Keep in mind we need to hit minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways. Minimum 180. Streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. Oh, lovely. Ha ha ha. Stop loss break even. Lovely, guys. We're making money here. We're making money on the other side, too. Ha ha ha. Stop loss break even. Oh, do not dare to do any dirty recovery. That's a lovely 5 minute algo we had. Out of this trade, I'm going to get out on this account. This is the account we got out. We're having 1,461 profit. This is a funded account. And it's very good on that 155. Very good on that. And then the other one, we were down 2,700 with 600 bucks additional to the max loss. Look at that. You know, we're sitting in this short. I'm still sitting in this short. Probably I'm gonna trail. Probably I'm gonna trail. Ha 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 ha. 4 minute short, lovely trade, guys. Lovely. So happy about this one. Looks great. We were close to max loss. Not moving my trailing yet. I like to visit levels below the 400s. Our trade here is making money as well. On YRM, we're having $1,000 profit. This is lovely, guys. All right, I'm trailing. I'm trailing at the end of the current wick. At the end of the current candle wick, I'm trailing there. I sold 2 contracts and I'm keeping the trailing for the rest. Basically sold half of it. Yeah. And the trailing has been touched. Lovely. We made about $600, guys, here. $600 profit. That's very important because we're down to 1,100 loss from 2,700. That means celebration. Especially we were so close to max loss. Is there any prop firm that don't require to reach a buffer to be able to withdraw? Take note. So Marvel, you can do that on Lucid Flex. Yes, not at 500, but at 1,000. Yes, you can do that on Flex at 1,000. You got to do 1,000 and you take out the minimum payout, which is 500. Yes. You don't have buffer. 1 minute to go, guys. 1 minute to go. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to join our Discord community as well, guys. You have to be part of it. Especially if you want to win the giveaways, you got to be part of. We're still having our trade active for the YRM. And we're trailing above the last green wick we had. We're trailing there. 3 minutes short. Couple of seconds. It looks like it wants to go down, but of course the opening is a different language than what you see even 5 seconds before that. Keep that in mind. The opening can bring you a total different reaction. I'm fully out here, guys. I'll take that money. And here we got the opening. Best of luck, everyone. Was a great choice to take that money out. Look at that. Ha ha ha. As I said, the opening price action has no correlation and connection with anything that happened in terms of the technicals over the last few minutes. The opening is not keeping track. It's a whole different world. Welcome. You got the Lucid Scramble coupon code maximum discounts pretty much everywhere, guys. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Oh, look at that one, guys. That's a heavy one. Ho ho! We just went down to around the 63, as you said, Mr. Knifeart. Down to 63, Mr. Knifeart. You got your 63. Haven't touched today's low. Might be a reaction from there. I don't know if I should touch it. Let me test out with a stop loss above. Testing out a short, guys. With a clear, tight stop loss. There you go. Gave back 500 bucks from the YRM account. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Remember, YRM unlimited evaluations just as Lucid, but the funded ones are different. Yes, exactly, Jonathan. I mean, it has a dose of gambleness, the opening. It has a dose. The predictability is possibly the lowest in the session. Yeah, the outcome, and that's what people care, not about the safety behind a trade, but the possible outcome. You know, before, it's very interesting on the psychology side. People look at the profits, and they care about how much money do I make, without caring about how much money can I lose. Not in a way of you desiring the loss, but in a way of you protecting against a possible loss. You always have to know if the loss you could face is not something you can digest, then you should not open up the trade, because the loss is also part of that existency. It's a possible scenario with a certain probability rate, exactly. But as long as it's a possible scenario, there is no way you do not count it. And the way you count it, first of all, is psychologically. Then, of course, the numbers of the risk management must be there for you guys. I'm testing a short here with a stop loss above. I don't know if we can just get a little lower, maybe. A little lower. I'm break even. I'm break even, guys. I'm break even. A little lower. Come on. Bulls are here for the moment. Missed the profits. And the fireworks show. Here we are. You missed the opening bell. So you couldn't gamble. And then what's the purpose of life without a little touch of gambleness, which I don't suggest. And certainly not the purpose of life, but again, not surprised. I don't know if this is bouncing. You know, we're too close to the opening, guys. Too close to the opening for this level to hold or to have a form of security. They can still continue downwards. We're too close to the opening. Right. You know, I'm testing along here with a stop loss right below the whole thing. I'm stop loss break even soon. Right now. We touch it. Did give a chance. Yeah, it is. Look at that. You don't break even stop loss, you get knocked out. That's why the entry in place is really important, because the entry, the quality of your entry allows you to secure by break even. The quality of your entry allows you to do that. I'm testing out along here, guys. I like that reaction. What do you guys think about? We have already... I think I'm going to hold on to this. I like this reaction. It's a pretty strong initial reaction here. As soon as we cross 390, I'm going to be break even. I could actually go break even right now, but... yeah, I'm stop loss break even, guys. Ha ha ha. Lovely. The quality of your entry allows you to go break even and have a form of safety. Lovely money, $2,000, guys. 2,000. We're up to 200 grand in this account, believe it or not. This is an account of 150,000 instant funded, and we have 50 grand profit. Look at that. Getting rejected by the daily opening. I'm still holding, you know. I desire last week's high. And the way we have always reacted as soon as we undercut here is a pretty good sign that we might have fuel. $2,000. Not selling anything yet. Not selling anything. We got 3 minutes long. Yep. I'm trailing right there with total sizing. Lovely trailing, right? Ha ha ha. So I'm selling 2 contracts. Yep. We secured some nice profits, about 66% of my sizing, around 410, and trailing the rest of it, guys, for another 500 profit. There are 2,800 total profit celebration time. There you go. That's great. That's great. 2,800. Wow. Daily opening here, bothering me. What do you guys think about the next 5-minute candles? The question mark, the next 5-minute candle. This one has about 45 seconds to go. But what about the next? If the next one is green, I can just long it at the opening of the candle. If you guys believe the next candle of 5 minutes is green, then I only have to long it at the opening of the candle. And I make money with that. I go break even and I make money with that. We don't have a yellow box yet. Ten seconds to go, so if this is green, we got into the long, guys. At the starting point of the candle, we got in a long. For our Lucid Flex. Oh, look at that. Silly price action. Having a hard time setting up yellow boxes. I need a support stepping around here. I don't like this. I need a support stepping around here. We got it along for the YRM too. Look at that. Would it be lovely to close out on this candle? Not below 65, right? So this 5 minute, not below 65. I don't want to see this below 65, guys. Lovely. Lovely reaction, stop loss break even for the YRM. And we got in some of the longs. Look at that. We're printing money here. Some of the longs for Lucid as well. On the big accounts, 10 minis. We escaped the break even. Look at that. Can we escape it? Haha. Can we escape that break even? No, I don't think so. No, we didn't. This is aggressive, guys. This is aggressive. This is aggressive. Testing out a little long from here as well. Three minis. If they pressure, gotta get out. Yeah. Release the pressure. Come on. That 5 minute is really powerful, this candle. Let's see how does the last minute of it happens to close. We have the FOMC rate this week. So it's an FOMC week. Lovely reaction, guys. Ha ha ha. Lovely reaction. I told you, I don't want to see this one closing below 365. We still have 30-40 seconds to go of this 5 minute candle. And we have a very good reaction. Stop loss break even. We're having 1,000 so. Big money right there, like 2,000 already. We're having some great money here as well. Haha. Oh my gosh. Thousands and top of thousands. But we need it. We need a continuation. We need strength above 400s. Yeah. Strength above 400s. Give me that one, guys. I am trailing here for this account. I'm trailing there. Trailing has been touched. We made like 1,000. Relonging it from lower levels. Let's see. How many times do they bring it back here? And for how long this is going to hold or not? I'm ready to measure. Yeah. Yeah. His speech is going to be very important, the statement. But I think this is his last term. Might have to get out of this here. The 1 minute is not looking good. Might get to that today's low 344 and then possibly see an initial reaction. 344. I'm gonna add something to this. Yeah, that's we have $100,000. You lost the account basically. If you're breaching, you lose the account. That's it. But we have 100 grand. Oh. Now that's the liquidity grab. That's the massive liquidity grab. We have 120 grand inside. Yeah. Few minutes, yes, few minutes. That was really fast. Yeah, tech is red. Is having a difficult time today. Brutal reactions, brutal. You want to refresh the page. Refresh the page. YRM is still working on our side. Lovely profits, right? Look at that one, guys. 2,000 bucks profits here. Not selling anything for the moment. We're about to recover in this account too. We're still down 2,000, but you know, I mean, we're having a tremendous balance here. Tremendous. Yeah. Ha ha ha. Seven minis long. Look at that. I mean, that's looking juicy, guys, on the 5 minute. Look at that. Incredible. Look at it. Quite hard to trade it. Quite hard. Testing out 2 contracts long from this account. This is a fresh. Ooh, hoo, hoo. We're getting pressure back. It was looking like a perfect situation earlier, but now we're getting pressured. Yeah. Yes, you can trade YRM on Quant Tower. Yes, yes. It's represented here. Yeah. $10,000 on each side. And it's still running. It's still running. Wondering about minimizing losses, but I'm still waiting, guys. I'm still waiting. Yeah. Tech is down a lot. Tesla as well. Tech is down. Not look at that. Any little purchasing pressure is getting quickly sold. It's not an easy situation. We're making lows. Giveaways will start soon, guys. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord. Yeah. Made money on this pump, 2,400 on YRM on the fresh account. We only need 1,600, so I have to lose something. Like $600–700. Yeah. We made a little more than we need. Come on, touch that profit. It's going to get touched. So why is not breached? Well, what's my balance, Wanny? What's the balance? What's the balance? Why would it be breach? Ha ha ha. Look at the recovery, guys. Ha 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 ha. Lovely. Lovely, 1,600 here, sufficient money. I am out here, guys. I don't care about this one. I'll take that 1,000. Who cares about 1,085? We were down 15, 16 grand, and now it's 1,085. That's a freaking celebration time. We made money on the other accounts in YRM, and that's it. There you go. Oh my gosh. And you're wondering, why do I have this balance? Oh, ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh. Like and subscribe, guys. Thank you, appreciate it. Appreciate it, guys. 1,675 on the first day for the YRM, and the big account here has 635. Yeah, the big account, this one had 3,000 so profit, and I accepted some losses here. Yeah. I didn't want it to lose the entire profit. Accepted some of the losses here. Had to do it. The account was in a different scenario. Had about 3,600–700 profits. Gave back 3,000, remain with 600. Yeah. But the YRM account, so this one has 635 today. The other one has, which is close to about 960. and this is $2,100 away from the pound. Very good situation. Hopefully this week we can do it. And then the one we traded today, the first day, 1,675. We're trading YRM instant funding accounts of 150,000. Massively discounted. Massively discounted. Thank you, guys. And then on Lucid, we controlled. We've controlled our losses. Unbelievable reaction. Unbelievable. Yeah. $435 is needing an extra 5-minute green candle, at least an extra. So the very next one, we need that. It's not easy. You have a lot of the levels to fight with. We have the green line right now, which is the dynamic swing entered volume with average price. We have the daily opening there. Daily VWAP, 200 EMA. These things are all below 425. So from here to 425, you got 25, 30 points with numerous rejection possibilities. Yeah. I don't have the yellow box still, but I am wondering and trying to think about it. The place I would put it, even though, guys, there's so much space right now here and so much liquidity here right now. We've got two scenarios, obviously, upwards or downwards, but the idea is I am afraid of this on a Monday, right? On a Monday, on a Friday, I'm afraid of that thing. And you guys know what I'm talking about. When you say it's Friday, well, that's what you mean. When you say it's Monday, that's what you mean as well. Also, since we have some external stuff coming through, and the insiders and the market makers do know things related to another possible ceasefire extension or stuff, I've been reading about it. And if that's the situation, then the market is going to run. No matter what. No matter we talk about the Monday. Ha ha ha. Look at that. We might see a 1-minute red candle. Right? Maybe the next one. I'm testing it, guys. I'm out. We made 1,000. We moved the account in profit with that. At the very entry point, once the candle opens, if you have not a feeling, but if you have a prediction that the next candlestick that opens is going to be at least a part of the timing of the 1 minute, like 30 seconds of that 1 minute red, then you entry at the opening of the candle. And you got the money. We made 1,000 with that. We put the account in profit. This was down 15 grand. Very likely only for negotiations. Very likely. They're trying to improve the negotiation force right now. That's probably the #1 priority. To have a stronger position at the negotiation table. Right, so all the games and all the movements and all the current management that's happening it is improving your position and force and power in the negotiations, or it's decreasing it. It's creating more advantages and stronger negotiation capabilities, or it is reducing it. Yes. Great. Oh. And this is still, if it's running organically, this is still not looking bad for longs. Still not looking bad for longs. Let's save the other account, which is still 1,000 down. Ha ha ha. Haven't touched it, haven't touched it. Daily opening shows initial rejection moments. Ha ha ha. I just got into a short here, guys. I just got into a short here. And I'm out. Lovely. We made some money. We're only down 300. We're down 1,100, right? Wondering about the next candle. Testing out a short here on this little bounce. Could be aggressively running, and that's why I'm gonna go not break even, but I'll accept a loss somewhere. At the top of the green candle, I'm accepting a stop loss, guys. Ha ha ha! Bring it down, baby. Come on. Selling 5 contracts. Accepted a partial loss. With a stop loss at the very top. That's a very powerful candle we just got. We haven't got anything for this candle or on the downside, anything. Which was something I was seeking. Yeah. Tech is murdered, but NASDAQ is reacting differently. Haha. Thank you so much, guys. Come on. Giveaway starts very soon. Giveaway starts very soon. Right, so max 10 minutes. We must hit minimum 180 likes. Maximum 10 minutes from now. You want to watch the time. We must hit minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways. Otherwise, we'll not do it. Look at that. We're stop loss break even, guys. Ha ha ha. We have eliminated the loss. Come on. Sold 5 contracts. Sold 5 contracts. We're down 2 grand. Pretty good. Made some money on that short. Made some money on that. Look at that, guys. Can we run it all the way back? Let's see. Can we run it? We're making money. selling a little, because we became profitable at this point, and we were down 15,000. On each 15,000, 2 accounts, 30 grand today. Thank you. The next candle could be green, the next candle. If the next candle is not green, it's such a silly scam in this price section that you would not believe it. Down 15k today on this one. And another one more 15k. And it's profit. Ha ha ha. Oh, come on. If this candle is not green, it's such a silly scam price section. You would never believe. I'll take whatever loss comes through. But this candle, if it's not green, it's such a scam. What's up, everyone? Come on, move. Move the markets. Look at that. We have a powerful candle on the bull side, and then the whole pressure disappears as soon as we open up the new candle. Freaking all goes. I'll take the loss. I don't, mind 1,000, 2. Look at that. Ha 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 ha. Such a scam. Unbelievable. I'm DCing into this candle, guys. Watch me DCing. 10 minis right there. As soon as we have some little profits, I am selling partially. Come on. Do something, NASDAQ. Thank you so much, guys. Giveaway starts very soon. There's nothing I can do here. Just wait. I've DC'd a little. Not planning yet. Discord link is here, guys. You certainly want to be part of our Discord community. I've DC'd there. I've DC'd there. As soon as we undercut, I'm testing the waters. Yeah, if this drops 30, 40 points, it's bad, for sure. But they've been playing dirty games. Still having 274. Not afraid. Yes. You can't be afraid in life. If you want performance, you can't be afraid. Not looking good for the moment. No. But I still do not think we don't cross. Watch this one. I still do not think we don't trade today above the daily opening, and that's it. I don't think today the whole New York session is going to be just below the daily opening. I don't think that. I don't think that. The whole New York session to be below the daily opening. We're making some money here as well. We got in along for the YRM. And we're recovering on the other side slowly and steadily. Oh my gosh. Come on, print it. Like I said, I don't freaking believe we don't trade above the daily opening today. I'm sorry. We are fully recovered, guys. I'm selling partially something out here. I want to sit on 10 minis. Leaving this one open. We're making good money on the other side with 7 minis. Yes. Yep. Lovely. But you see, that rejection is not going to last forever for the upside. Those rejections, look at that, totally controlling the price section for the past couple of hours. Will it last forever? Just because it's not going to last forever, it doesn't mean it will have to go to the upside, for sure. But we had some great opportunities for the bears here to aggressively sink the price action. This candlestick we have right now, it's very important. Very important. The next one, the next 5 minute, needs to be tough. The next 5 minute has to be tough. Let's go, guys. Come on. Welcome. Thank you so much. Are we printing some money here? Yes. This is making money. I'm not going to get out of this. But on the other side, this is looking quite interesting, guys. I like to sell something. Maybe at this level, 2 contracts. We have DC'd back 2 contracts. We have 8 contracts again. You know we had 6 earlier. We're going to sell partially as we go a little higher. Lovely. Come on. Keep going. Keep going, buddy. Yeah. I'm going stop loss break even on whatever is left. Selling 2 more contracts. I'm fully out. $307, guys. You know we gotta do 250, which is the minimum, right? 307, there you go. It was a Tom and Jerry today for this 2 big accounts we have. Boom. We were down $15,000 on each on this one, which is now 307. Look at that. The red candle comes. We were playing Tom and Jerry with the P&L. So 307, perfect. And 260 on the other side, perfect as well. One is having 279. You know we need only 250 for the 150,000 flexes. So 279 and 280. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Oh, let's not forget about this. Let's go stop loss break even like this for the YRM. As soon as we get out of this trade is we're doing the giveaway, guys. Thank you so much. run it back. I'm trailing above the wick of the current candle, like taking another $600 extra. Let's get ready, guys, for the giveaway, which starts very, very soon. Aha. Thank you. Oh, sorry to hear that, Matty. The last 8 days, you got punished. You got punished. Who punished you more, the bulls or the bears? Tell me. Do not tell me both punish you the same way. Who got you more, bulls or the bears? V12. Sorry to hear that, Matty. We're trailing out here. Yeah, enough. We made some money. 2,000 out here in profits. So bulls have been killing you. Bugatti Power V12 is on the road. Time to get started with the giveaways, fellas. We don't have any other trades running on Quantower. That's it. That's it for Quantower. I'm out. Thank you, Quantower. Thank you, Lucid. Crazy chop. Watch that out. It's perfectly rejecting on the algo green line. The green line we have on my chart, guys, is wired to Wall Street. Yeah. No wonder these reactions are so accurate. We're wired up. This is wired. And it's no lie, you can say that. As soon as you touch it, it's gone. Time to get ready, fellas, for the giveaways. No time to trade Savius in Tap 1 today, but we'll certainly look into next days. YRM, great profits. Very happy about this, which is close to the payout. And of course, the Lucid accounts too are in a very good condition. Those are ready any day for the payout. So what do we need? We need the freaking wheel, we need the ducks, and then we need the formula. You want to make sure to sign up for the formula. And do not underestimate our community by breaking the rules and policies. Yeah, thank you. Alright guys, so how do you participate? The giveaway should be one of your questions. We'll certainly want to complete a form. The participation form, which is, by the way, daily on a new link. Then once you completed the form, you have to like the video, be subscribed to the channel, streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. And you gotta be part of our Discord community. And that's the place our lovely community is hanging around, printing money, and helping each other. The first account we're going to share will be an instant funding account. Tap 1 Futures 25,000 Sim Pro account for the first giveaway, right? 25,000 Sim Pro instant funded from the Tap 1 Futures prop firm. We're going to have a few numbers. You'll have to guess the number. Only a single guess per person. You can start right now. Between 0 and 5, each number appears once. Let me know your best choice. Between 0 and 5. Thank you so much, guys. Let's go. Come on. We got collaboration, all sorts of collaboration emails, and we have to miss them. There's a bunch of scammers, guys. A bunch of scammers. They think we're for sale. Ha 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 ha. There's nothing for sale here, guys. Ha ha ha. Come on. Only a single guess per person. Do not spam our chat. Do not spam. Let me know your best choice for an instant funding account of SimPro, $25,000 for top 1 futures. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. This is the first giveaway. We got 2 more. Ha 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 ha. Here we are. Here we are. I can tell you the numbers you're not going to touch. 0, 4, number 2. Could be the number 1, guys. Could be the number 1. It's not going to be number 5. And it's not going to be number 3. Guess what's remaining? It's not going to be number 3 because I'm pressing the pedal. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations for the winners. Number 1. We're going to tag the winners. 22 winners out there. 30 seconds competition time. Let me know. Let me know how does it work. Ha ha ha. There you go. Rosanas. The Batman. Rosanas is winning. Where is Badger? Oh, there you go. Badger is here on the 14th. Scrambo is not leading anything. Ooh. Rosanas. Congratulations, Rosanas. Let's find out if you completed a form. Did you find the kindness of filling up the form? Yes, you had it. Congratulations. Good job. Ha ha. That's right, Badger. Ha ha ha. There you go. You're in a very good condition. But time for revenge. Time for getting tilted. I'ma get tilted on this duck races. But before I'm getting tilted on duck races, gotta pull up the second giveaway. Will be a 50,000 Lucid Pro. 50,000 Lucid Pro. 50,000 Lucid Pro. Yes. 50,000 Lucid Pro, guys. Get ready. We're only going to have 3 numbers. 0, 5, 7. Let me know your best choice. 0, 5, 7. Start right now. 0, 5, and 7. Tell me, which one do you feel, guys? This is a 50 grand Lucid Pro. Haha. Stop right there. No more guesses. No more. It's over. Shuffle, and here we are. Good luck, everyone. NASDAQ's trading around 70s, 370s. It's not dying. It's not going to be 0. Could be the number 5, guys. Could be. Could be. But I don't know what to say. We might stop a little earlier. Oh, I think we're going to stop a little earlier. That's going to be the number 7. Congratulations. Congratulations for the winners. Whew. The brake pedal, it functioned. Ha ha ha. It functioned. It is 7. Yes. Time to watch out, because I think there's going to be a lot of ducks here. Time to watch out. This is going to be crowded. More than 70, fellas. Well, let's do something, guys. The first ranked and the second ranked will qualify for the second round. First ranked and second ranked. Let's do it this way. First and second. Best of luck, everyone. First and second will qualify. First and second. Congratulations, Joyman. You got this. And then, shut the fuck you. 2260, you got this. You got this. Joyman. Let's find it out. Joyman. Joy, did you fill out the form? Oh. Shaw. You're not here for some reason. You're not here. You're not here, unfortunately. You're not here. STF. You. Did you fill up? Yes. And then Usama is his lucky day. But if I remember well, Usama. Generational comeback, that's right. But Usama, with Lucid. With Lucid, are you allowed with Lucid or not? Tell me, Usama. Are you allowed on Lucid or not allowed? If you come up to be the winner, we'll have to see. We'll have to see what we do. Let's go. "30 seconds competition time. Best of luck." All right. So if you win, you will change it with the YRM. Probably he's having a country restriction or something. He's rigging the system, yeah, somehow, but looks like he's not winning. The STF is winning. There you go. Congratulations. Congratulations. Are you here? I don't know if you're here. Haven't seen your name at all. After winning, we're gonna verify who's behind this account. Congratulations. 50,000 Lucid Pro goes out to your pockets. Well, well. Time for the last 50,000 YRM. Oh, 50,000 YRM for the third giveaway. And next to this account, we're going to have a bonus as well. We're only going to have 2 different numbers. Number 7 and number 8. Let me know your best choice. You can start right now. Start right now. Number 7 and number 8. Let me know your best choice. Joyman, you missed filling up the form, Joyman. For some reason, you didn't fill up the form, so you actually did not sign up for participation and validation. If you don't fill up the form, you cannot claim the account. It's 7 and 8. Other users are going for different numbers from what can I see in the chat. There's people going with 0, there's people going with number 10. Look at that, guys. Pretty interesting, right? Yes. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. But impossible. You have to verify your spam. You have to verify your inbox and spam. The 2 places you receive emails. Impossible not to receive. Alright, so best of luck there. There's no bonus round, looks like. I forgot about it. No bonus round. We're gonna do the bonus tomorrow. That's gonna be number 7. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations for the winners, number 7. There you go. Great job. That was easy, right? Number 7 for the winners. That was easy. Congratulations. This is the last giveaway. It's easy. Haha. You guys ready? Number 7 for the winners. We have a ton winning. And listen up. We're gonna take the first, the 5th, and the last for the second round. 1 minute competition time. Best of luck, everyone. The first, the 5th, and the last. Piece of cake, if not piece of something else. Little duck. First, 5th, and the last. I'm the legend 07 leading Hello as well. Who else, guys? First, 5th, and the last. Best of luck. We gotta do some sack races. We're gonna do that tomorrow. The link is always in the chat. It's pinned in the chat, and it's on our Discord in 2 places. It's in the chat, it's pinned, and on the Discord. Thank you. Thank you, guys. First, 5th, and the last. Look at it, Maddie. Deschamps. Deschamps leading, but Maddie could come out the 5th. Maddie, did you come out the 5th? Oh, you're the 4th. Oh, Maddie. You're the 4th. That's incredible. Look at that. And who came out the 5th? Oh, yo. Deschamps is the 1st. Deschamps. There you go. You're confirmed. And then 5th. Yes. Ayo FX. And then the last. No Morello, if you see your name ranked number 8, you call me the last. Let's see who's next. If you guys see your name right there, Cabrera, Badger, you can't be the last. Scramble, you can't be your last. Sit down. But Michelle Benitez is the last. Michelle. With Nishiukla coming out next. But Michelle Benitez is the last. Let's find out if she completed a form. Michelle, yes. They filled up the form. Congratulations. You qualify for the second round. That's a lovely move by my little NASDAQ. Alright guys, so who's qualifying? Michelle Benitez is qualifying, that's right. And then who's next? Deschamps. And IUFX. There you go. Here we are. These are the 3 players. Tap 1 is going to win. Tap 1. But there's going to be a ton of you here. Look at that. For example, 384. 576 ducks consisting your names. You guys will compete for 30 freaking seconds. Here we are. You start right there. That's going to be a little Atlantic competition. Best of luck. This is the 3rd giveaway. Best ranked is going for a 50,000 YRM account. Who's going to speed up? Michelle Benitez comes through, and it's... Congratulations, Michelle. Here we are. Congratulations. Benitez. Here you have it. Good job. Good job. 50,000 YRM goes out to you. Congratulations. Thank you so much, community. Thank you so much once again. We had a lovely, a very good time. Thank you so much, guys. We're continuing tomorrow from 8 a.m. EST as usually. Invite your friends, community members, traders. And we're continuing. For many more, please reach out in Discord for any details. Scramble coupon code highest discount, and attached to that, my little luckiness comes with you. Thank you guys once again. Have a beautiful day. We talk to you.